Hey, what's up, brother? Good to see you. I'm good. How are you? That's good. Are these good? This one to stay? No. That's good. This one looks like a Cuban right here. It is. Badass color. These are flights. Like this one. So these are Morilleros. Yeah, these are the ones you mix the Cubans with, right? Yeah. These are Morilleros. Usually mix these with Cuban powders to get like more flying power out of them. These right here are Spanish powders. Look at that one. Archangels. I've never seen that color. Hey, whose is this right here?
Those are, I think they are this station. Well, the kids son estos de Chayo.
Oh, so, ¿qué es eso? Granadino.
Sí, son productos míos.
Tiempo.
¿Ese también es granadino?
No tanto, pero sí que
Es macho?
Es hembra.
¿Hembra?
Baby.
Right. Okay.
mini and high flyers,
High flyers, tumblers, yeah.
long tail, crust on the head sometimes.
Yeah, yeah.
Alright, I got 5 pair. I had 5 pair. I have 3 pair left.
You fly them?
Yeah, I fly some. Falcon take them though.
Whoa, yeah. Yeah,
Some of them know how to get away from the falcon.
This is a dark
Pretty smart.
Andalusian right here.
I have a couple almonds, white, all white,
Ooh.
Persian.
What is this one? Why did you put this one?
It's Andalusian roller.
Oh. Something special?
Yeah, his color. He's not.
Oh.
He's not black check. He's not black. He's Andalusian.
I see. Nice. Okay, guys.
All right, buddy.
Have
See
a
ya.
good one.
You too.
That done here?
This one right here? What is that, dude?
That's a checker badge, but she's just going through a molt.
Oh, I see.
Believe it or not, he's out of 2 yellows. I got out of 2 yellows.
It's a nice one. Big one.
Big boy right there. She's rolling on it too. Actually, this group of birds, my buddy bought them from him, the whole group, 2 groups. And where he's living at, he was getting hit by predators too much. So he said, you know what, I'm out.
Yeah?
Get them all.
Quit,
I
huh?
traded them. I gave him one of my massive puppies for him.
These are Leo's birds. Looks like a almond over here. All right, this is how you balance a bird.
You see how it comes right dead center?
Yes.
She's molding, or he's molding, so you don't have all the feathers. You just get the wings down and get the body, and then it's right.
And
Comes to the center.
Right.
It's a good bird. If it's to the sides, you don't want that bird.
So it has to stay centered. Even if it spreads out, it's okay, right? Even if the tail spreads out, it's still okay.
It's supposed to spread out and be centered.
Okay. Right, and be
Not
centered.
off.
Right, I see.
Let's see if I can get one that's got a full tail.
Oh, oh.
Nice try. Nice try.
Well, it's not too far. Well, I don't know if they'll make it to Santa Ana from here, right?
Rollers are dumb as dirt.
Yeah, they are. All right, let's see. Oh yeah.
See how it does at dead center?
Yeah, it's still pretty good.
But it ain't good.
Yeah, that one. It's still not bad.
I got one. They're all molding. That's the problem.
Yeah, they're all mulching now. Mine look the same at home. I think everybody's does. I was just talking to some other gentleman that said that.
Time of year.
Right.
This is a very young.
Oop. Oh, that's a bigger one, huh?
And she ain't got much of a tail either. And see how it goes right to the center? Not,
Yes.
I wish she had more tail, but they're molding.
Yeah.
It's just,
It's still doing it. Doesn't.
yeah, you can see it in the center. If
Right.
it's way off to the side, you don't want a bird
Right.
because they won't roll right.
Correct. Right. That's true.
They'll spin off in a crazy direction.
Funny how? Oh, funny how? What do you mean? Oh, funny. Funny how? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me what's funny how? Oh, funny how? What do you mean? Oh, funny. Funny how? Like I'm a clown?
You're funny guy.
Funny how? Oh, funny how? What do you mean? Oh, funny. Funny how? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me what's may have used you? Like a clown? May have used you? Like I'm a clown? May have used you? Like a clown? May have used you? Tell me. Tell me what's may have used you? Like a clown? May have used you? Like I'm a clown? May have used you? Like a clown? May have used you? Tell me. Tell me what's funny how? Oh, funny how? What do you mean? Oh, funny. Funny how? Like I'm a clown?
You're a funny guy.
Funny how? Oh, funny how? What do you mean? Oh, funny. Funny how? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me what's funny how? Oh, funny how? What do you mean? Oh, funny. Funny how? Like I'm a clown?
You're a funny guy.
Funny how? Oh, funny how? What do you mean? Oh, funny. Funny how? Tell me. Tell me. Tell me what's what do you mean? Tell me. Tell me. What do you mean? Tell me what's what do you mean? Tell me. Tell me. What do you mean? Tell me what's what do you mean? Tell me. Tell me. What do you mean? Tell me what's what do you mean? Tell me. Tell me. What do you mean? Tell me what's tell me what's
That's all for today. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. But until then, I'm gone.